Good morning. My name is Lion R.G. Balasubramanian and I am the District Governor of Lions Clubs International District 318C, comprising the districts of Idiki, Ernakulam and Alleppey. On the 23rd of August 2020, we could conduct the district cabinet installation, which was done on a hybrid way at Hotel Abad Plaza with over 4,000 viewers, Lions and others, and this was done on the virtual platform as well as on a physical presence. And this event was coordinated by none other than executive events. They could do this coordination to the best way possible, and we are thoroughly happy with whatever has happened with regards to the cooperation and association with the executive events. I sincerely wish executive events all the very best in all their future endeavors. Thank you so much.